Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to boost your stamina, increase endurance, and feel more energetic throughout the day, you're in the right place. Today's workout is a 5-exercise stamina routine you can do at home. No gym, no equipment, just your body. Stamina is all about how long your body can perform without getting tired. This routine targets your full body while keeping your heart rate up. Let's get started. Exercise 1. Squats. Squats build lower body strength and improve endurance. Keep your chest up, push your hips back, and drive through your heels. Strong legs help you last longer in any workout. Exercise 2. Push-ups. Push-ups develop upper body stamina by working your chest, shoulders, arms, and core.
Maintain a straight body line and breathe steadily. Modify on your knees if needed. Exercise 3. Plank. Planks strengthen your core, which is essential for overall stamina. Keep your elbows under your shoulders, tighten your abs, and hold with good form. Exercise 4. Jumping jacks. This is a great cardio move to increase heart rate and improve endurance.
Stay light on your feet and keep a steady rhythm. Exercise 5. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers combine cardio and core work. Move fast but controlled, keeping your core engaged the entire time. Perform these exercises as a circuit and repeat 3 to 4 rounds depending on your fitness level. Consistency is the key to building stamina. Stay active, stay hydrated, and keep pushing. If you enjoyed this workout, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon for more home workouts. Thanks for watching. Stay fit, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.